Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the server 400 error problem on your YouTube app. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So the first thing to do is check on your Play Store if you are updated to the latest version of YouTube. So as you can see, I am updated. But if you are not updated guys, you should just tap the update button here and it should update accordingly. So after making sure that it is updated, let's go on over to the YouTube app. Here on YouTube app and make sure to press and hold that. Once you press and hold that, go over to I here, the I button here, icon. And once you are here, go over to storage here and make sure to tap on clear data. So clear cache first, okay, and head over to clear all data and hit okay. So what that does guys is it fully resets your YouTube and it also logs you out of your accounts on your YouTube app. So you just have to log in on your YouTube app again on your accounts and it should be good to go. So you will not lose any personal preferences on the YouTube app. So there. And last but not the least is go over to the YouTube app here and make sure to go to the upper right corner here. Go over to settings. Go over to general here and make sure the playbacks in feeds that it is off. Okay, so once that's done, you should be good to go and see if that problem is working, is now solved, and you just have to restart your phone. So okay guys, that is all for the video today. Thank you for watching guys and goodbye.